How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down and head towards the option of general. Open it. Now go to the option your play and handoff. Now at the very top you can find the option of automatically your play to TVS. Open that option and set it to aux or automatic. After you set it to aux or automatically, this will allow iPhone to discover and automatically connect to nearby AirPlay TVS you use frequently while playing content from apps you regularly use with your Play. After you do that, you can close this. Now swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Over here you're gonna find these two rectangles. All you have to do is tap on it. If there is anything you can connect to, it will pop up over here. All you have to do is tap on that option. And with that, you can screen mirror your iPhone. This was all for this video. This is how you can easily turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.